Turning to the United States now, with massive floodwaters finally receding in Louisiana, the southern U.S. state is cleaning up and assessing the devastation. In the past week, nearly 800 millimeters of rain have dumped on parts of Louisiana, affecting tens of thousands of homes. Officials say the death toll has climbed to 13. More than 86,000 people have filed for government emergency assistance. U.S. President Barack Obama declared Louisiana a disaster zone on Sunday and ordered federal aid to supplement state and local efforts. Louisiana has struggled financially after years of budget problems following Hurricane Katrina in 2005.
I stayed through hurricanes, I stayed through other things. This has got to be the worst.